Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. Waterhouse were beaten 3-1 by RKI FC a short while ago at Stadium East in the round of 16 of the CONCACAF League. Of course, that team is from Haiti. This is the first time competitive football was played on the island since March. Now, the winner, RKI, will face Canadian club Forge FC in the last 8 in December. Reggae girl Khadijah Bunny Shaw has been nominated for the League Player of the Month award for October. The 23-year-old was pivotal for Bordeaux last month as she scored 7 goals in 4 games. Her prolific form has seen her rise to be the leading goal scorer so far this season. She currently has 9 goals in 7 appearances this campaign. 3 wins from 4 games has also seen Bordeaux move up to 4th on the table. Shaw is in the last year of her 2-year deal with Bordeaux. Last season, Shaw scored 10 goals in 15 appearances.